Hello folks, and thank you so much for clicking on this video by EPB Media YouTube channel, the Secrets of Business Success series. Last week I did a video on this new tech innovation device that is making a lot of passive income for people. A number of you said the video was too long, that was about 23 minutes, so you want a shorter version. So that's exactly what we've done. We've edited everything down to about 14 minutes with retaining as much of the essential information as possible. We've added a couple of new information here and there, so you have to make sure you watch this video to the end in order to get all the information necessary, including the new ones that we've added. Now, before we continue, I would just like to implore you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't done so. Just click on the red subscription button below, click on the notification bell, and that's it, you are done. So now let's go and watch the newly edited video on what we did last week. We'll be right back. Last week I mentioned that there is a tech solution that is making so much passive income for people. Now, this is what it's all about. Simply put, this is how information currently travels around the internet. When you want to download or send something to the internet, what happens is your request or whatever is sent to various computers around. There are various computers dotted all around the world, through which information travels either by radio wave or by cables or by this huge towers, cell towers that are mounted that help transmit information to various computers around the world. That is how basically information or data travels around the internet. Now there's a new US company named iHub, started by some American investors, and their objective is this. They intend to form the largest peer-to-peer network around the world. They want to provide a cheaper, easier and faster way of having this information travel around the internet. They've appropriated the technology in a little box, just like a Wi-Fi box. And these boxes will be transmitting information or data between each other all around the world. Now, how do they intend to do this? They intend to have these devices installed at least 300 meters from each other all around the world. So their objective is that in a couple of years' time, there will be this device every 300 meters from each other all around the world. And how they intend to do this is this. Anybody, that's you and I, who expresses interest and registered to have this device installed in his home, office, or whatever property he has, will be paid. When the device processes any data, that will be calculated and credited to your account as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. But this cryptocurrency is called HNT, Helium tokens, shortens as HNT. Now you then can go have this cryptocurrency converted into cash, dollars, or any currency that you want, and then cash it through your bank or any other means you want. These devices cost around $1,000 at present, but the strategy the investors have adopted is this. They've had a lot of these devices produced, and they are giving it to everybody who registers for free in exchange for 10% of whatever token, HNT, or money that device will generate. In other words, you can choose to buy the device for $1,000 if you have the money, or they will give it to you for free, and then in exchange have 10% of whatever token or money that device will generate for life. Of course, that will make them a lot of money, but the advantage is that you also make your percentage. You get about 50% of whatever money that device will generate. There are other investors involved. They also get about 10%. The company itself will get 10%, and stuff like that. Of course, these devices do not transmit anything that is harmful to the human body. This has been tested and confirmed that it is not harmful to the human body. The technology is currently being deployed in Europe, in America, Canada, and China and Australia. So now if you don't have money, this is a big opportunity for you to register and be shipped a free device which you can install and then be making money. All it needs is power and access to the internet. Plug it somewhere near a window and forget about it, and to be generating money for you. I personally know people who have the devices in the UK. That's how I got involved. They contacted me and told me about the experience. It's generating between $1,000 to $4,000 or more per device. And there are people who are making much more than that because they have multiple devices in multiple locations. And I will also show you how this device is being deployed very quickly and fast. There are a lot of people getting involved. Being deployed in Europe, in America, Canada, Australia, and China. And you'll be amazed. Africa is about the only place deployment has not started yet. But they are registering people so that they know the amount of device they can ship to Africa for free. You won't have to pay anything. All you may have to pay for is the shipping cost, depending on where you are. If they have to send it through other means to get to you, which might be extra expensive, then you may have to bear the cost. But for now, once you sign on, you get a device for free. You install it, calibrate it to their system, and that's it, start making money for you. They intend to deploy in Africa in the next couple of months, maybe in the next 6 months, hopefully by the end of the year. Certainly within 8 to 12 months time, deployment will start in Africa, but you need to register now. This is because when you register, you indicate where you are and where you will be installing the device, and that area is digitally locked up so that nobody can install another device within a 300 meters radius. So if you don't register and your neighbor registers, now his or her location will be digitally locked up. So when you go to register, you cannot register within that area if you are within 300 meters radius of your neighbor. So you may have to go further afield or find another place to install your device, to register and install your device. So it is very important that you register as quickly as possible, and your area or wherever you install that device will be digitally locked up. They even have an app. Once you register, you are entitled to that app where you can monitor these devices either in your locality, in your country, on your continent, or anywhere in the world. And this opportunity is open to anybody, anywhere in the world. This is Ghana. Now all these spots you see are reserved spots in Accra. So this is what is happening in Accra. People are registering, but you can see there are a lot of white spaces around. All these places means they are virgin territory. You can register and locked up spaces here for those of us or those of you living in Accra. A great opportunity. Let's see what is happening in Ghana. As you can see, this is Ghana. You can see a lot of things happening in the southern sector, but there are a few spots reserved in the north. You see what is happening. Not much happening in Lomé, but there's something happening in Lomé. But you can see our big brother in Nigeria. They are not joking. As usual, they don't joke. You can see a lot of reserved spots in Nigeria, but there are still a lot of. When you move in, you realize there are a lot of white spaces, and all these are areas that you can, available for registration. So today I have a croaky voice, I have a cough, so you can see what is happening in West Africa. Virtually nothing happening in other West African countries, and so this is an opportunity for my brothers and sisters in other West Africa countries to register, and reserve all these spots. Let's go to America and look at what is happening in America. Crazy. These are places in America. The device is already been deployed and it's earning money for a lot of people. So I get, as people give personal testimonies to other people, a lot of people are reserving spots. So you can see what is happening in America, Canada, a lot of people. But when you move in, you can see there are a lot of white spaces in between. All these are, unregistered sports. So there's still, wherever you are in the world, in the United States, there's still opportunity. When you register and indicate where you want to plant or install a sport, the software can tell you whether it's a good area to plant and install a device or not. Let's go to Europe and see what is happening in Europe. Look what is happening in Europe. Crazy. Because the device is currently deployed in Europe and is earning money for people. You can see all these places. Oh, the reserve sport is spreading like crazy. Norway, Finland, Finland, Norway, all this, France, you have all Germany and all this place, Italy, Spain, amazing places. UK and all those places, all the pink spots you see are reserved spots. This is all what's happening in Europe, all those pink spots. But once you zoom in, you see a lot of white spaces. All those are opportunity for registration. This is Asia. Look what is happening around India, Pakistan, China, and all those areas. People are registering like crazy. This is Australia. You can see this thing is currently being deployed in Australia, so people are registering. New Zealand and all that. So as you can see, this is a picture of what is happening around the world. All these pink places you see are reserved spots. There's still a lot of opportunity exists in Africa for people to register. So please, opportunity exists for us to make a lot of good passive income. I personally know people who bought these devices and are making good money. And I just want to share the opportunity with you. So if you are interested, please get in touch through my WhatsApp or email address, and I'll help you through the registration process. It's a very simple process, but it's a little bit technical. You will need, immediately after registering, you need to reserve a free device, which they will send to you later. And then you also need to register your location. Now they use Google Maps to do this, and the problem we have in Africa with our address system. Because of our peculiar problems with our addresses, you might face a problem registering because the registration will be rejected because you can't find your location address or the spot you want to reserve for your device. So get in touch so I can help you around it and show you how you can do that safely and comfortably, to have your device registered and to have a location reserved for you, so that when you do get the device, you can freely start operating without any problems. It is very crucial, it is very important. Please get in touch so that I help you through the process. I hope I've given enough details. If you still want more answers, don't worry, get in touch with me through my email or on WhatsApp, and I will get back to you and explain to you further. This is principally what the tech solution is about. That's all. Once again, I want to implore you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do so now. There's much more information we'll be providing in the subsequent weeks, and of course about TVET, ICT education, and how those are the money-making ventures or opportunities for the future. Thank you very much. Subscribe right now, and I'll see you very soon with another video. God bless you.